children. A hearty welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Online Classes. Class 7, Subject Hindi, Lesson 6, Topic Taj Mahal. See children, in the last session itself we have gone through this chapter and I hope you all understood everything about the chapter. We'll just have a glance of the chapter once again and then we'll move on to the exercises. Taj Mahal is a very beautiful monument built by Shah Jahan. It is situated by the river side of river Yamuna at Agra. It was built in the memory of wife of Shah Jahan who died due to illness. Before her death, she took a promise from her husband to build a beautiful monument so that nobody will forget her. And so after her death, Shah Jahan has built this beautiful monument on the grave of Mumtaz Mahal for her remembrance. He called people from throughout the world, the architects, the builders and everyone, and he asked them to build a beautiful monument. Taj Mahal was built in 22 years where each and every day 20,000 people used to work. It was built by 20,000 people working daily for 22 years. It was built for 30 crores. At that time, it was 30 crores for building of this monument. It is made up of white marbles, and in between the white marbles, it is beautifully decorated by creeper flowers with different color stones, that is mostly green and red. Different color beautiful stones are used to give a beautiful look for this monument in between the white marbles. People from throughout the world come to visit this beautiful place in India. Not only Indians, people from throughout the world come as tourists to visit this monument. It looks very beautiful during the full moon night. I told you children, it is made up of white marbles. When that blue light of moon falls on it, it gives a beautiful look for this monument. So on the full moon night, if we get a chance to see Taj Mahal, it will be our pleasure in the life. It will be so beautiful to see it. And this monument is also known as memory of love which Shah Jahan had on his wife. So it resembles the love and affection. So this monument is also can be said as symbol of love. So this is all the thing what we learned about Taj Mahal in the last session, children. Now we will move on to the question answers. First we will move on to the word meanings. See, word meanings are given over here, children. Go through the word meanings and learn it. The second Roman for you all will be the question answers. So we will move on to the question answers, children. First question, Taj Mahal kahan hai? Where is Taj Mahal situated? The first question for you is Taj Mahal kahan hai? Answer, Taj Mahal Agra में यमुना नदी के किनारे है. Taj Mahal is situated by the side of Yamuna river in Agra. It is situated on the shore of Yamuna river in Agra. ताजमहल आगरा में यमुना नदी के किनारे है. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन चिल्ड्रन, शाहजहां ने किसकी याद में यह महल बनवाया? इन रिमेम्बरेंस ऑफ whom did Shahjahan build this monument or palace? In remembrance of whom did Shahjahan made this beautiful monument? शाहजहां ने किसकी याद में यह महल बनवाया? The answer is शाहजहां ने अपनी प्रिय पत्नी मुमताज़ महल की याद में यह महल बनवाया. शाहजहां built this beautiful palace in remembrance of his beautiful wife. Shahjahan made this beautiful monument in remembrance of his beautiful wife Mumtaz Mahal. शाहजहां ने अपनी प्रिय पत्नी मुमताज़ महल की याद में यह महल बनवाया. थर्ड क्वेश्चन चिल्ड्रन, मृत्यु के समय मुमताज़ ने शाहजहां से क्या प्रार्थना की? At the time of death, what promise did Mumtaz Mahal asked to Shahjahan? आंसर, मृत्यु के समय मुमताज़ ने शाहजहां से विनती की कि उनकी मौत पर उनकी याद में एक सुंदर इमारत बनवा दे. At the time of death, Mumtaz Mahal requested Shahjahan to build a beautiful monument on remembrance of her. मृत्यु के समय मुमताज़ ने शाहजहां से विनती की कि उनकी मौत पर उनकी याद में एक सुंदर इमारत बनवा दें. We'll move on to the fourth question children. ताजमहल बनाने में कितने रुपए खर्च हुए? How much money was spent to build up the Taj Mahal? ताजमहल बनाने में कितने रुपए खर्च हुए? आंसर, ताजमहल बनाने में 30 करोड़ रुपए खर्च हुए. For building Taj Mahal, 30 crores of amount was spent. ताजमहल बनाने में 30 करोड़ रुपए खर्च हुए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 चिल्ड्रन, ताजमहल बनाने में कितने साल लग गए? How many years were taken to build up the Taj Mahal? ताजमहल बनाने में कितने साल लग गए? आंसर, ताजमहल बनाने में 22 साल लग गए. आंसर इज 22 years were taken to build up the Taj Mahal. ताजमहल बनाने में 22 साल लग गए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 चिल्ड्रन, ताजमहल किसकी निशानी है? द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट डज ताजमहल डिनोट्स? ताजमहल किसकी निशानी है? आंसर, ताजमहल शाहजहां के अमर प्रेम की निशानी है. ताजमहल इज अ सिंबल ऑफ द ब्यूटिफुल लव ऑफ शाहजहां एंड मुमताज़ महल. ताजमहल शाहजहां के अमर प्रेम की निशानी है. So second Roman, your question answers get finished over here children. Third Roman, fill in the blanks. We'll move on to the fill in the blanks. First one, रोज डैश कारीगर काम करते थे? 20,000. आंसर इज 20,000. रोज 20,000 कारीगर काम करते थे. सेकेंड वन, ताजमहल डैश संगमरमर का बना हुआ है? आंसर इज सफ़ेद. ताजमहल सफ़ेद संगमरमर का बना हुआ है. थर्ड वन, इसे देखने लोग डैश से आते हैं? द आंसर इज देश विदेशों. इसे देखने लोग देश विदेशों से आते हैं. फोर्थ वन, डैश रात में इसकी शोभा देखने लायक है? आंसर, चांदनी. चांदनी रात में इसकी शोभा देखने लायक है. सो विद दिस Your fill in the blanks gets over, children, and all the book back exercises for this chapter 6 gets over here. Go through all the exercises, write it in your classwork notebooks, and please learn everything. Thank you, children.